Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button to help the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this overview are available down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I share here is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a closer look at OppFi, accessible at www.oppfi.com. OppFi presents itself as a financial platform, and in my experience, it indeed offers a range of financial tools and services. Exploring the website, you'll find various options seemingly geared towards investment and wealth management. While I haven't delved into every single feature, my initial impression is that OppFi aims to provide a comprehensive suite of financial solutions for its users. The site's layout appears clean and user-friendly, which is always a positive sign. I've noticed sections dedicated to different financial products, suggesting a potentially diverse portfolio of offerings. Further investigation into the specifics of each service will be necessary to fully grasp the breadth of what OppFi provides. My early interactions with the platform suggest a focus on providing users with resources for making informed financial decisions. It appears to be structured to be easily navigable, even for individuals who might be new to investing or financial planning. One area that warrants further examination is the fee structure. It's essential to understand any associated costs before committing to any financial platform. From what I've seen so far, OppFi seems to be aiming for transparency, but a deeper dive into the terms and conditions is crucial. Overall, based on my initial exploration, OppFi appears to be a promising platform for those seeking various financial services. Remember, this is just my initial impression, and further research is always recommended before making any financial decisions. Be sure to check out the description for links related to OppFi, and stay tuned for future updates as I continue to explore this platform and share my findings.